Use case 3, human intelligence integrated into virtual meetings for better collaboration, better training, and better onboarding of teams and groups. You can see here for any group of people, whether it's 4 or 5 or 10, you have 3 different features. One is to manage the meeting better. Again, you can see a group strength and a dynamic that's common to all of them. This group has a free form approach to process. So given that, there are certain actions that this group should take if they're working together or there's training for this group. There's also an inclusion tip for this group of people. You can also see for any one person, for example, this person, if you're training or influencing them or onboarding them, you can click on their information on the right and you can see communication tips, motivating tips. Scrolling down, you also see learning style tips if it's your training. You can do a side by side with that person and see what score you are versus them, as well as a deep dive of their dynamics around behaviors, motivators, and work styles. And lastly, you can see how to visualize meeting dynamics of this group of people, where you can see what are the behaviors of this group of people visually, either pictures of people, diversity chart, or a bar chart. And you can also go through and see what the motivators and the work styles of these people are, in addition to sharing the screen and sharing for this group of people, if you're working together, what the insights are for this team culture or team dynamics, and sharing on the screen to discuss how this group, for example, to be more agile, needs to be less stability oriented and maybe move over here on the right to be more change oriented, and how Charles, who's decisive, might push everyone to work very quickly and might get them out of their comfort zone, but that's okay, as this team needs to be agile and do both when they're working together to create the best performance.